Fire crews in Peshtigo put out a fire at a metal cutting factory Wednesday afternoon. It happened at the building on Highway 64. It was just before 1:30 in the afternoon. That fire started in one of the facility's dust collection systems. And the town of Peshtigo Fire Department says because of the high temperatures and the air quality, they had to call in 2 more departments to rotate firefighters.
Happening today.